Hey guys, my name is Alec and my daughter calls me Sunshine. This is a place where I'm free to be me on my soapbox. You guys have no idea the changes I've been going through. Missing you. This week and a half has been the most stressful week that I have encountered in a very long while. Feels good to be back, I'm telling you, because I'm so used to recording and putting stuff out there, and this week has been crazy.
Listen, I'm gonna have to call you back. The diva's having a meltdown, okay?
I record everything on my iPhone. Not only do I record on the iPhone, I edit, I do every single thing that you guys see that I put out, it's done on my iPhone. So guess what? My iPhone just decided to go take a vacation and just left me in the dust, just like that. Yeah. I know some of you guys are lost, like, huh? What is she talking about? Well, let me just tell you this. My iPhone storage, I have 64 gigabytes. I never really knew too much about how many gigabytes this is or that is until my iPhone decided to take that vacation. Because it got all the way to 63.8 gigabytes when I only have 64. So everything stopped working. I no longer receive calls. I couldn't call out. I couldn't text. If you sent me a picture, I couldn't see it. You sent me a video, of course I couldn't see it. Everything on my iPhone just decided to shut off and not work. I, on the other hand, was over here freaking out because I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? How do I get rid of some of this storage that's on my phone because I had so much? So I said, oh, easy fix, right? I'll just go in and delete some of these screenshots. I don't need it. Go and delete some of these videos from way back in the day because I don't need it. I deleted all this stuff and the storage was still at the same 63.8. Oh wait, it did go down to 62 at one point. And I was like, yeah, I'm really doing something, right? I cut the phone off, I cut it back on. It's back up to 63.8, which means I have 0.2 gigabytes left until I'm at 64. I'm at the end of capacity. Finished, done. I was over here freaking out, didn't know what to do. I jumped online. Everything I tried to do did not work. I am gonna have to go in and delete everything off my phone and start all over as if I have a brand new phone. And I backed everything up on iCloud. I backed everything up on iTunes. I was so nervous and so scared because I was like, oh my gosh, what if I can't get all these things back? There are certain apps that I need on my phone. My banking apps, I need that. Things that monitor my daughter, I need that. There's a lot of apps on my phone that I've truly needed. So I was like, what am I gonna do? And I was like, well, I have no other choice because I'm going on 3 days now with zero access to my phone. Not good, especially when you're a YouTuber and you use your iPhone, right? So I had to do the ultimate. So a lot of things that I did have on my iPhone, I no longer have. There are a few videos that I was almost done editing that are lost in the wind somewhere because I didn't back it up. I didn't save it. I don't know what I did. I did something wrong. Obviously I didn't back it up and save it. So shame on me. I'm learning, but I had to learn the hard way. Sometimes learning the hard way is not always the fun way or the best way, but I'm learning. That will never happen again. Trust me when I tell you. But I just wanted to put this video out there to let you guys know I have everything handled. I have everything situated. I am back. It feels so good because I really missed you guys. I'm so used to editing videos, putting videos out there that in these past few days, I've been losing my mind over here because I haven't been working. So it feels weird not to work. And because I'm so rigid on my schedule, and I probably need to stop doing that, being off of a schedule really threw me for a loop. My brain was working overtime. I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I don't know how to handle this. Everything I tried was not working out. I'm so glad that I have storage on my phone now. So if you have an iPhone, please don't be like me and learn the hard way. Back everything up on iCloud, back everything up on iTunes. And if you get to the point where your storage is low, do like I did. Swipe it clean, but save all that other stuff on iTunes and iCloud first. And then start the process all over again. I feel so much better. I also want to say thank you so much for all of you guys that sent kind words and thoughts during this crazy time in my life. I don't ever want you guys to think that seeing your comments go unnoticed, because I see each and every single comment. So thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you, thank you, thank you. You have no idea how those words have warmed my heart. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. I just had to let you know what is up with Sunshine, because I have not put anything out in a good week and a half. So there you have it. I'm human. I make mistakes. Difference is I'm learning from the mistakes that I make. So see y'all in the next video. Bye.